Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another faster video. I'm gonna get made fun of in the background. Today, we drove 2023 Apollo Intensa Emozione, and it took everything out of me. It was a very long day, as you're gonna see, from fixing the car to driving the shit out of her. And she did great. So a little bit about this car. Obviously it's the purple to purple carbon fade. This one specific being the last one delivered. This car is a Ferrari F12 derived motor, a 6.3 liter naturally aspirated V12, kind of set up like a cup car, air shifted gearbox. Right now it's set up in its race form, so it's got its steel slotted brakes, slicks, and yeah, it'll make you sick. This car is very interesting because it's not like the Zonda. It's not as raw, but not as street car. It's miserable to drive on the street, really fun to drive on the track, so you guys will see that. And it just looks wild. Nothing looks like this. Sounds great too. Dylan almost tripped over his bag. Yeah, let's show you guys the interior, kind of show you guys how everything works. So let me show you one thing. And you might notice it's dirty because it just did a full 6 hours on track. Power button on. And there's two ways to open it. There's a manual here, but the issue is with the manual one is if you don't know what you're doing, the door could blow off. So we open it here. We go inside. It's currently been our storage bin for the day. And interesting enough, it doesn't usually look all raw and exposed like this. We usually have our console on, but we had to do some fixing today. You'll see that in the video. And then she ran great, but the fixing was interesting. So we have our screen here, obviously. Quite the screen too. Then we got our different pages, you know, got our ABS, our engine map, traction control, all the good stuff, you know. So yeah, it is quite the blast of a car. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. These two here are the cameras mounted on the mirrors. Kind of help you see that in the video. Obviously it's on a 5-point harness. You sit F1 style, so feet up here. Seat doesn't move, pedals move, similar to LaFerrari. Like I said earlier, this usually don't look like this. Nice little crisp fix moment. You got AC? That's actually really nice. Yeah, you start it up here. And boy, does she sound good. You'll hear some of that. So yeah, we are out here at Dream Ride charity event at COTA. It was a super awesome day. Big shout out to Will from WR Technica. Man, he helped us a lot. We were fixing the car, had to take everything out. It took me like an hour and a half, which, you know, I can do, and then got messing with the wiring, and then called my buddy who's a tech, and he's like, yeah, you're gonna have to check the continuity in the pins. To which I said, I'm screwed. Will, on the other hand, knows a thing or two, because he's seen a thing or two. So yeah, got her working, and then gave her the beans. So it's just a crazy design. We can also pop these off, which makes it even look crazier. Let me check this out. Oh, this is the lightest thing ever too, by the way. Oh, McLaren F1, eat your heart out. Yeah, and then everything's exposed. One more cool thing, check out that tri-tip exhaust. Oh yeah. Boy, does that look pretty. Overall, just a wild car. Really, really fun to drive. Really cool just to get out and share it with people. Glad we do the charity stuff. It's always a good time. Yeah, hope you guys like the onboard.